Waterdrop sent us their over-the-counter, instant hot, reverse osmosis water dispenser. And this thing is amazing because once you go through the setup, once you do the flushing, just making sure all that water goes through the filter and it gets all set up, you're ready to go, and it is plug and play. So you could go and put this in your RV. If you go on a vacation, you could put this in your vacation rental. It is something that is so cool that you could just manipulate and bring it around. It's not stationary. It's not drilled into your countertops. It's something that you can really take it anywhere. You can put it in your bedroom if that's where you're going to use it. Especially with being pregnant, I'm more conscientious about what I'm putting in my body. And so the reverse osmosis is so nice. It gives you that peace of mind that it's taking out all that crummy stuff that's in the water. But the cool thing about it is that instant hot feature as well. Within seconds, you have 203-degree water. It is quite impressive. And if you're going to do formula for your baby, it is so cool because how customizable it is. You can do the exact temperature that you're going for, the exact amount, and it's ready in seconds. So let me unpack it for you. Let me show you the setup, and then we'll also show it in action. Obviously, it will come with the unit itself. You'll have this magnetic drip tray. It'll come with the filter itself, so you'll have to remove that packaging, and then I'll show you inserting it into the unit. And then you'll just have the dispenser top cover. There is an instruction manual, but it is nice too. All over this unit itself, there's instructions throughout. So here's how you will put in the filter. And on the inside of that cover, it also shows you just how to replace the filter some more and running it through that flushing system. We put in the filter, we plugged it in, and you will get a code that says L1. And L1 just means that you need to fill the tank. So we have the tank here. We'll insert that into the back. Put on that cover. And right now it is doing an automatic flushing for 5 minutes. So it's going to run that water through that filter, and it's going to take about 5 minutes at this stage. And then if the screen shows L1 again, we will need to change the water in the tank again. Okay, so here we are replacing the water. And the 3 lines means it's going to be filtering the water now for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that it's done with that filtering process, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the raindrop looking symbol, which is the key to dispense water. And so during this first dispense, it's going to dispense about 1.5 liters of water. So we'll need to put a container there that can catch all that. We'll be repeating this process a few times, so it's going to be circulating and flushing for a total of 3 liters. Well, now that we got through that flushing process, it is ready to go. So let me show you some of the cool features with this unit. So cool things about this is that you can manipulate how much water is dispensed, but also the temperature of the water. So for volume, you have 8 ounces, 12 ounces, 16 ounces, and 20 ounces. And then there are presets for the temperatures. The first temperature will be just the room temp. So the water currently in the unit is at 64 degrees. You can have it heated to 113, 185, 203, and then it'll pop back to that 64 or that base temperature. The cool thing though about it is if you hold it down, you can now, every time you click it, it goes up in smaller increments, so you can be a lot more particular about what you're going for. So as I was going through the temperatures, you may have realized that that lock button illuminated sometimes. So once you go past 185, there will be a child lock. And so when you are ready to dispense water, in order to dispense water, I can't do anything right now because the child lock. You will hold down this lock button and now you're free to dispense water. So let me show you it dispensing some water and then it also dispensing that hot water as well instantly. First, let's just do water. So we're gonna just go to the base temperature and dispense some water. Now, if I am wanting to do some hot water, I'm going to go ahead and select 8 ounces. I'm gonna go all the way to 203. I'll press down that lock button and then hit the dispense water button. And I don't know if you can see the steam, but instantly, just like that, it's doing hot water. So it's perfect for teas, hot cocoa, ciders, you name it. Especially too if you are having to use formula for your baby, you can be really particular with the temperature of that water.